Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this package in the mail the other day from Banggood. Banggood is like the Chinese Amazon. Anyway, so they sent me this thing in the mail. It's from my friends over at TOPSHAK. TOPSHAK sells all kinds of different things. You guys have seen my video reviews on lots of TOPSHAK things. I believe you guys saw my money counter yesterday. That was pretty cool and unusual, isn't it? I like it. Anyway, they sent me a power drill. I need another power drill like I need a hole in my head. No, that's not true. Always useful to have a power drill. I use a DeWalt and it's fantastic. You know, it's like the battery lasts forever. I don't even remember ever changing it. I use it a lot. Instructions? Get out of here! We don't need instructions. It's just a power drill. If you can't figure out a power drill, something's wrong with you. Nice plastic, convenient carrying case from TOPSHAK. Clamp opening. Ooh, cool. Look at that. Torque settings, right? Loosening and tightening the drill entry. Lock feature. Tightening. Loosening. Do the torque settings. Holy cow. Ah, there we go. Nice. Has a battery here already installed. Press the reading on it and it's full. How about that, huh? Nice. 20 volt max, 2 amp per hour battery, lithium. This is rubber coated over here for good grippage. Like I said, the tightening button there and the untightening there, counterclockwise. And has a light there, torque settings, lock. Nothing to it, like I said. Who needs instructions for a drill, you know? I mean, I guess if you want to read about the torque settings and all that, you know. Box of drill bits, I gather. There we go. I always need new drill bits. Drills are not expensive these days. So we have the gold ones for steel and the black ones for wood. They have also the silver ones for masonry or titanium, I'm not sure. And also we have some drill bits here, so you can use it as a screwdriver. Or so it has torques, super small torques, the square kinds where you can do patio and deck screws, and for wood screws, small, really tiny flathead and Phillips, large and small. Good set. Also the adapter in here for the drill bits. Very cool. So this doubles as a lot of things. I'm going to try the drill right now. So we're going to use this kind, the kind that drills big holes in wood. We're going to try it, okay? Put it in there, hold it, tighten. I have this torque settings on 20. Let's do this. There we go, maybe 18. Here's 20. Okay, that's good. I've got this piece of wood here that I've been testing with like sanders and stuff. Just keep it around the garage for whatever. Let's just try it. Here we go. There we go. It's a pretty big hole. Now, the torque is not that great. It's at 20, the most. If you took it down to 1, right, you may not even be able to drill. See, it won't even go down. Put it to 20. If you don't push down too hard, you know, to force it to go too fast, just let it do it itself. It's pretty good. There you go. So I didn't even really push down on that one. So it's very good. You know, if you push down too much, you'll force the pressure to be too strong for the torque, you know. But really good, really fast. These are pretty big holes, you know. So that's that drill bit. Easy to use. So here we go. We're going to try one of the drill bits here. Not the drill bits, the... Let's try one of these screw bits. Let's try this one. Put in the adapter. I'm looking for one that I could use easily. There we go. It's tough to get out. There we go. And goes right in there. It doesn't seem like it's magnetic though. Let's try this old screw. Phillips. Easy. So remember, this is not an impact. An impact would be able to drive long screws in there, you know, but this is it's a good drill to get your screws in as well as drill holes. And let's try this one here. This one's more of a tapered one. Excellent. Look at that. That's awesome. Take it out. Take this out. Awesome. Fantastic. I forgot to show you. It has one of these things. I've never had one of these things. These are cool. You put it in through here. So you can get, you can unscrew or tighten tight places. That's cool, man. I could really use this. I always wanted one of these. That's great. Look at that. I could screw my own hand while I'm doing it. Awesome. And the last but not least is the power adapter. Plug it into your wall. Hook it on like that. Plug it into your wall. And it charges your battery. So very, very nice. Really handy. And I think that this is not expensive at all. It's very reasonably priced. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys would like to pick this up. Thanks a lot for joining me on another weekend product review. The TOPSHAK 20-volt power drill with drill bits and screw flathead bits with this really cool angled adapter. Thanks a lot for joining me. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right up! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.